Okay, here's the cold start on our 62 fuel injected Corvette. Just turned the heat on here this morning in the building, but show you that there's the engine temp, 65 in here right now. Okay, let's take a ride in our 62 Corvette. 62 Corvette, fuel injected 327, T10 4-speed, 370 positraction, Honduras Maroon with a black interior. This car shows what would be 104,000 miles on it. And honestly, I've had a bunch of these straight axle Corvettes through the years. This might be the best driving one I've had yet. The fuel injection unit was gone through by Jerry Bramlett. Jerry's reputation certainly speaks for itself. Jerry hot tests all his units. And you see how the beginning of the video, how the car cold starts. So, show you how this car drives. A short ride. Transmission at upshifts and downshifts just the way it should. These T10s are, you know, they can be problematic. They love popping out of second gear. This thing's been gone through, and obviously it's done right. See from the photographs, the paint on this car is beautiful. Base coat clear. I would say the car was probably painted in the neighborhood of about 2014, 2015. Obviously the car runs out just like it should. Fuel injected 327s, they make great power. And there's nothing to be afraid of with these fuel injected cars. When it's a well-sorted unit, when you get the likes of a Jerry Bramlett, a Ken Hansen, John DeGregory, these guys really know how to put these things together and how to make them right. When they're done like that, they work. All the gauges work. Horn works. So if you got any questions, feel free to reach out. Like I said, it's a great running and driving car. Hate to see them go. If somebody wants a nice convertible, looking for a good straight axle, a real fuel injected car with its real engine, this one's going to be hard to beat, especially at the price point. So feel free to reach out, 715-385-3700 or BoulderMotorCar.com. Thank you very much. I appreciate your interest.